Hello everyone. In the last video we downloaded the PostgreSQL for Windows operating system. In this video we are going to install the PostgreSQL. If you haven't seen the last video, then you can have a look at it. The link to the video is in the description below. So let's proceed with the installation. So this is the PostgreSQL file. So what I'll do, I'll double click on the file and then it will start installing the PostgreSQL. It will take some time, then you will get this pop-up. I'll click on yes. Okay, so it is installing some Microsoft Azure C++ some kind of extension or something, so they are needed for the PostgreSQL installation. Okay, so this is the PostgreSQL installation window. Then in here you have to click on next. Okay. This is the path where the PostgreSQL will going to be installed. Then again I'll keep it as default and then click on next. These are the 4 things which are going to install on your computer. This is pgadmin 4, PostgreSQL and command line tools. Okay, let's go with the next button. We'll see later. Okay, this is again I'm going to keep it default. Here you have to provide the password for your PostgreSQL server. So this password will going to be helpful for you to start or log into your PostgreSQL server. Then I'll click on next. This is the port number, just keep it as default. Then default locale, if you want to choose you can select any of default locale. I'll keep it as it is. I'll click on next, then next, and this will start installing PostgreSQL on your computer. Okay, I paused the video of the installation process because it was taking so much time. This is what you will see after completion of that installation process. Then it is showing that to install stack builder. So I'm not going to install stack builder. This is just the drivers, and just will guide you to install additional tools and drivers for PostgreSQL to link other application for it. So I'm going to click on finish. I'm going to uncheck this and then click on finish, and then we are done with the installation of PostgreSQL. Okay, so now we will start PostgreSQL. So I'll just click on start menu and search for the Postgres. Okay, here it is. And I'll click on this pgadmin 4. And we have to wait for some time. Okay, so pgadmin 4 will open in your default browser, and here is saying is please set a master password for pgadmin. This will be used to secure and later unlock, save password and other credential. So so you just need to mention here the password we mentioned while installing the PostgreSQL. So I'll just enter the password. Okay, that's it. Then you can just expand it and you will see PostgreSQL. This cross sign means it is not connected. So when if we mention the password, okay, and now click and you will get okay. So there is no cross sign, and now we are connected to our PostgreSQL database. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next we will look at some of the queries of PostgreSQL.